Hey folks, Dan Frio here with your Mortgage Minute. I'm going to make these quick because I'm going to post a video with just rates and a couple headlines, and it'll be about a minute or two. And then I'm going to follow that up with a video every couple days to give you guys some insight in the real estate market. So let's get over to the headline news today. We see home builder sentiment is crashing. Well, I was waiting for this because the home builders have been in the catbird seat for so long that they're taking advantage of a lot of people. Well, I won't say taking advantage of people, but they were just skewing all the stuff to their benefits. So we're starting to see home buildings really starting to pull back because people don't want to have to wait a year or two to buy a house because one, supply chain issues, how much more might it cost you to buy that house? And two, where the heck are rates going to be? Because if you sat on the sideline for the last 6 months waiting for your house to be built, your house payment probably just went up $600 to $800 a month that you weren't anticipating. Some good news, though, is we have home inventory just spiking. It's up 30% year over year. Well, you might think that's great news, but let's dissect this a little further. Since March, inventory has doubled since March. That's fantastic news in today's market, but it's not all just gravy because why? Well, we still have low inventory. You can see from the numbers here. Compared to the same year last year, we were up 30%, as we just said in the headlines, but compared to the same time in 2020, we're down 21%. You go further back, pre-pandemic, we're down almost 50% where normal inventories should be. So that's the headline news right now. We see inventories going up because I think a lot of people are starting to FOMO on the side of the seller's end of the equation. If you're looking to sell, you're like, oh man, if the market crashes, I'm going to lose out selling my house at the ultimate peak. And let's say you're a baby boomer and you're like, hey, I can get the max money for my house now, take that money, downsize, pay cash for my next house, you're good to go. You don't worry about interest rates. Or you take that money, put it as a down payment, and you don't have that much of a mortgage, so that mortgage rate being higher isn't affecting you as much as it would be. But let's get on to the economic calendar for today to see what's out there other than those two headlines. Well, if you go through here, get my head out of the way, you're going to see nothing. Monday is flat. Tomorrow we're going to see building permits and we're going to probably see a decline in that. I'm expecting that decline. Existing home sales are on Wednesday. I'm expecting that to spike up because people are moving out of the building market into the pre-existing market. And then we look at the oil because of AKA inflation on Wednesday. And then on Thursday we have some jobs reports and so forth. So basically, with no news out today, is the market moving at all? Well, yes, it's moving. And I don't really know why, because there's no economic news other than we had a nice little rally the last 2 weeks. Maybe there's some profit taking, or we also have the Federal Reserve on chart for next week. They're going to meet and they're going to have some guidance for us at that time, and I'll have that event live so we can watch that together and I can dissect it for you. So where are mortgage rates? Well, here's where they closed on Friday, and the reason why I'm using this number is because it's a number by Mortgage News Daily. They report rates every day, and this is basically where we closed on Friday. You can see here's all the mortgage rates. You go through here, and we didn't really have much change at all throughout all the programs. You see the 5-year ARM didn't change at all. You had 30-year fixed going down a little bit. You had jumbo going down a little bit more. But all in all, there was really no change here, and I don't expect many major changes today. We do have negative sentiment in the market just because it's a scary market. But I will give you, as news comes through, I'll make sure I inform you guys everything real estate, especially when it comes to mortgage rates. So if you'd like to learn more about me and my team, I'd love you to visit us at therateupdate.com. We are now federally chartered, which means we can do loans anywhere in the United States as well as Puerto Rico. So if you're out there and you're looking to build a house, you're looking to buy a house, maybe you're looking for a reverse mortgage, renovation loans, home equity loans, anything you're looking in regards to home loans, we would love to help you. So you can find us on therateupdate.com. We love when you talk to us. Give us a call. You can also schedule a meeting, or you can even chat live with us over here. Many times I'm the one on live. So if I'm on there and you see me there, just give me a little blip saying, hey Dan, love your content, or hey Dan, don't like your content, and here's why. So that's the Mortgage Minute for today. God bless, guys. I'll be posting a little bit video in just a short time going over the headline news and how that might affect you guys in the housing market. So God bless. Take care. See you later. Bye-bye.